Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation on one of the most essential functional group in organic chemistry, carboxylic acid. But first, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Rohi bin Abdullah, and also I want to introduce my friend. The first one is Muhammad Izwan Aziz bin Muhammad Sis, and the second one is Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Khairul Nizal, and the last one is Muhammad Daniel Haikal bin Nur Hazli. And let's go to our presentation. First, carboxylic acid are organic compound that contain the carboxyl functional group, written as COOH. This group is made of two parts, a carbonyl group C double bond O and a hydroxyl group OH, both bonded to the same carbon atom. This combination gives carboxylic acid their unique property. The general formula for carboxylic acid is RCOOH, where R is usually a hydrocarbon chain or hydrogen. Some simple example of carboxylic acid include the first one, methanoic acid HCOOH, also known as formic acid, found in ant venom. The second one, ethanoic acid CH3COOH, commonly known as acetic acid, the main component of vinegar. And the last one, propanoic acid CH3CH2COOH, found in some type of cheese. In IUPAC naming, the name ends with oic acid. So methane become methanoic acid, ethane become ethanoic acid, and so on. This compound may sound simple, but their importance is massive in both chemistry and everyday life.
Physical and chemical properties. Carboxylic acid have several interesting physical properties. First, they are polar molecules because of the presence of the electronegative oxygen atom in the COOH group. This makes them highly soluble in water, especially if the carbon chain is short. Another key property is their high boiling point, which is due to hydrogen bonding between molecules. This bond requires more energy to break, hence the high boiling point. Chemically, carboxylic acid behave as weak acid. They are partially dissociate in water, releasing H ions, which give them a typical pH range of 3 to 5. They undergo several important chemical reactions. First, esterification. They react with alcohol in the presence of the strong acid like sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form ester and water. Second, reaction with base. They neutralize base like sodium hydroxide to form a salt and water. The third one is reaction with metal. They react with reactive metal like magnesium or zinc to produce a salt and hydrogen gas. These reactions are not only important in laboratories, but also form the basis of many industrial processes.
Biological role and industrial applications. Carboxylic acids are not just important in chemistry, they are vital in biology and industry too. In biology, they play major roles in many biochemical processes. They are found in amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. They are part of fatty acids, which form lipids and are essential for cell membranes. In cellular respiration, acetic acid plays a role in the Krebs cycle, which helps produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Industrial carboxylic acids are diverse and widespread. Acetic acid is used in making vinegar, plastics like polyvinyl acetate, and solvents. Benzoic acid is used as food preservative. Citric acid, found naturally in citrus fruit, is used in soft drinks and cleaning products. Lactic acid is used in skincare products and cosmetics and in the food industry. Fatty acids are used to manufacture soaps, detergent, and wax. The ability to form esters and polymers make carboxylic acid extremely valuable in the manufacturing of perfumes, paints, and medicines.
Lastly, we have industrial hygiene relevant and conclusion. Although carboxylic acid are useful, we must also be aware of their health and safety implications, especially in industrial setting. Risks of exposure include skin and eye irritation, respiratory issues if vapor are inhaled, corrosive damage when using concentrate form. They can corrode metal or burn tissue. That's why industrial hygiene practice is crucial. Proper safety measures include wearing personal protective equipment (PPE) such as gloves, goggles, and lab coat, working in areas with good ventilation, storing acid in clearly labeled, corrosion-resistant container. In summary, carboxylic acid are not just chemical compounds, they are essential to our body, industrial, and everyday life. From the food we eat to products we use, their presence is everywhere, making them one of the most versatile and impactful groups in organic chemistry. Okay, thank you for watching our presentation on carboxylic acid. We hope you found information in and engaging. Bye.